Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Polina and welcome to this week's midweek video. I haven't posted a midweek video in a while, but I thought that I'd go ahead and post this one because this is for everyone who just wants to have a simple layout in their Hobonichi Weeks, and if you're not using your Hobonichi Weeks as a work planner. So here I'm going to be using the weeks as it was intended by using the left page as a timeline tracker. So all my schedules will go to the left page. I emphasize the little dots that are on the planner, and it divides the page into AM, PM, and evening. So that is the timeline that I have for the left page. I used a Zig color dot marker, but you can use any pen that you would like. But then I'm also using another felt tip liner or fine liner. This one is from Marby Ushida, and I'm just deepening the lines that are also in the planner. And now that's done, I am dotting the little corner right next to the date, and that is where I'm going to write down the time that I slept that day. And now we are ready for some stickers. So unlike the main video, I don't usually use stickers in my work planner, but for my home planner, I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and shop my stash and use up all the stickers that I have hoarded in my planning life. And this is one of them, so I don't really know where that is from, but the bears are from AliExpress, and the little ribbons, the bows, are from Peach Soul Studio. So here I am dividing the little top part from the rest of the right page using a banner-like sticker. You can also use washi, and I think that if I used washi, this would be kind of better looking. This is kind of all over the place, but not all spreads are going to be super aesthetic all of the time, and that is completely fine as long as the planner works for you and you like what you have done, you like your spread, then everything is a-okay. So I am now writing my very long list of chores. So last few pages for the last few weeks, I have been writing these down, all of the chores in the tiny little boxes, like every single time, but sometimes I do them every day. Or some of the chores I do every day, like I sweep every day, clean the litter box every day, clean the kitchen, cook, bedroom, things like that. So I decided to just make a super giant tracker, and this also makes planning time shorter, or I'll have more time to do other things in this planner. For example, highlights. I can write down the highlights of every day. I didn't divide that into separate days just in case I want to use the space or more space for that day for that particular highlight. And then underneath that, I am writing non-chores related tasks, and that is also going to be in a tracker format. So I'm just extending this tracker to include a few more things that are not related to home chores. And you can do this if you are tracking work as well, or personal things like health, workout, and things like that. So I do have space, and I'm covering that space up with lots and lots of stickers. This is the most fun for me when I have tiny little stickers and I have the space to put them down according to how I want them to be. Just building my own design using the stickers that I have. So it's kind of like building my own washi strips, which is really fun, and I highly recommend doing this. Is very therapeutic when you're laying stickers down. That's not functional, that's just purely decorative. And this is the right page, almost all done. The last thing I'm doing is writing next week down at the bottom, so that I have that little space for future logging. And now let's go through the page anatomy. On the left page, I have a simple timeline according to how this layout is supposed to be from Hobonichi. And then on the right page, I have a grateful list up at the top. Then I have at the side a sidebar of highlights of the week, a giant tracker, and next week at the bottom. So at the first few habits are chores, and then planners, and then social media. This is a very simple spread, but it is a very versatile spread as well, and you're able to decorate this however you would like according to your style. And that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.